Understanding where your potential customers are in their journey is essential for any growth strategy. Eugene Schwartz's 5 stages of awareness provides a framework to ensure you're sending the right message at the right time. The first stage is unaware. These people don't realize they have a problem or a need yet. At this point, your job isn't to sell. It's to share stories or insights that help them identify a gap in their current situation. Next is problem aware. Here, the person knows they have a specific pain point, but they don't know a solution exists. Your content should focus on empathizing with that problem and showing them that a better way is possible. The third stage is solution aware. Now, the customer knows there are ways to fix their problem, but they aren't familiar with your specific product or service. You want to demonstrate that your category of solution is the most effective choice. Then we have product aware. These individuals are looking at your specific offering and comparing it to others. This is the time to highlight your unique advantages, share case studies, and prove why your approach stands out from the competition. The final stage is most aware. These people are on the verge of buying and just need a final nudge. They know you, they trust you, and they just need a clear path to complete the transaction or a final incentive to take action. Most businesses make the mistake of treating everyone like they are most aware. By trying to close a deal with someone who is unaware, you end up wasting your marketing budget and alienating potential leads. A smarter approach is to map your content to each stage. For example, use educational videos for the problem-aware stage and detailed demos or testimonials for those who are product-aware. When you align your messaging with the audience's current state of mind, your marketing feels less like an interruption and more like a helpful guide. It's the most efficient way to move a stranger toward a purchase. Visualizing these stages helps you spot gaps in your sales process. If you have plenty of traffic but few sales, you might be missing the solution-aware middle ground that builds necessary trust. Growth happens when you meet people where they are. By mastering these 5 stages, you stop guessing and start communicating with the precision needed to scale your business effectively. Take a look at your current marketing materials. Ask yourself which stage each piece of content actually serves. Refining this alignment is often the fastest way to see an immediate improvement in your results. Please like, share, and subscribe and spread the word.